Look at this ding-dong's fucking parking job. Like, is it a huge deal? No, but I mean, it's not a big parking lot for downtown. And you just took up 2 spots, fuckhead. Luckily, I've got my bike. Man, I'm tired. I'm a tired boy. Been working since 5:30. I mean, not the whole time. I did go to the gym, but I didn't have time to, like, I had 40 minutes, you know? So all I was really able to do was shoulder press and bicep curls. So I mean, I did buys for the guys, curls for the girls, baby. And felt good doing it. It was kind of nice, actually, just having, you know, one thing to do. And I'm sitting there thinking, I'm like, what if I just went in twice a day, which that's not gonna happen, but what if I just went in and did 2 things hard as fuck every day of the week? That'd be cool. Just 2 things hard as fuck, you know? Because I mean, then I wouldn't, like for my leg day, for example, I would, you know, I could do squats without thinking, like, all right, I'm gonna do these, make sure I get, you know, good, whatever, but I got, you know, leg extensions later, you know. So I might try that. Today and tomorrow, I'm not gonna have like a lot of time in the gym, just because duty calls at work. I had all summer off. No, I didn't. I take that back. I had summer school, but now I'm not a student. I had a couple people in the comments think I'm like young or whatever. I mean, I guess I'm young. Depends on your perspective. I'm 33. I'll be 34 this month. A buddy of mine was like, dude, you got a young voice. That's probably why people think you're young. You know, and I kind of look young, I guess. You tell me. I mean, go to the WRX video or videos. I think there's 4, huh? And let me know if I look young. I don't know. I don't feel young, dude. I mean, in my head I do, but in my body I feel fucking a million years old. That's one thing that pissed me off when I was doing HVAC, dude. I'd come out of a fucking, like, crawl space or something, or fall out of an attic. I mean, not fall, but when I was coming out of an attic, or standing up from a fucking crouch or seated position, and I groan, because my knees, my back, my hips, I mean, I'm just fucking fucked up. And there'd always be some old dude or lady or whatever, mostly old dudes, and they'd be like, what are you fucking groaning about? Wait till you're my age. I'm like, bitch, shut the fuck up. You know, and a lot of these old dudes are like, well, I went to war too. I'm like, well, yeah, but when you went to your war, you weren't lugging around the same shit we were. You know, they had load-bearing vests to carry, you know, their canteens and their extra mags of ammo, and yeah, they had a backpack. But when I went to war, we had a plate carrier and a Kevlar helmet and goggles, and I had like a couple tools on me. You know, outside of my tool kit, which was a box I had to carry around. Luckily, it had wheels. So I'm not comparing who had it worse. I'm just saying that we fucked our bodies up a little bit harder than you did. You know, the training to get to that point, the training to get to the war. What am I trying to say? The kind of training we do now, I mean, we would do full fucking, we'd go to the armory, we'd pull our fucking weapons, we'd have our fucking day pack and our main pack, and it'd be full with a gear list, and you know, we're basically pretending we're going on a fucking hike in the middle of a war zone, so we have to have everything on us, you know what I mean? I mean, we're talking MREs, full canteens, full, oh, what the fuck are those called? The hydration pack thing. Camelback. You know? And then we go do that for miles at balls in the morning. So, it would just irritate me when they would do that. They'd say that shit. But whatever. So, after I yawn. So the plan for the rest of today is go home. I'm gonna eat a little bit of deli meat. My wife's gonna make chicken wings tonight. Very excited for that. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some deli meat, just get a little bit of protein in me. We're gonna trim the beard, trim the mustache, take a shower, eat, and then go to sleep. Like, I don't have time to fucking get on and play games with my buddy. I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to edit this video or the one I was supposed to put up today. I didn't have one set up. I think what I need to do is like, and I'm going to, so this week might be a little bit dead for my content at least, but just spend a couple hours, because it only takes me, if I have like a really dry video or there's not much in it, it only takes me 5 minutes to edit it. You know, throw the fucking intro and outro on there, put the music. It's AI generated music, so I could just take that, clip it, adjust the audio, fade in, fade out, adjust my voice audio, add the subscribe button. You know, it only takes me 5 minutes. But I think the hardest part of making my videos is thinking of a fucking thumbnail. You know? Because there's a, you know, you could, like, I mean, if, in all reality, on YouTube, you're just competing with the other guy. For me, not so much at the moment. I mean, fuck, I haven't even gone live yet. But, I'm not exactly competing right now. You know, I'm slowly building, you know, a little bit of a following. I've got, like, 59 subscribers. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. But I'm not a huge channel. I have some ideas. Excuse me. I just haven't acted on any of them yet. Ugh. I came down Wilhoit earlier. Fuck, that's a beautiful fucking hill. I want to go up, or I don't know if I want to go up it or down it, or maybe both. Just do both. But I already told you the plan. Thank you for listening to me just blab. Like I said, I do appreciate you guys, and I hope you're having a super great day. Yeah, you know, if you're not having a great day, I hope your days get better. Hope your day gets better if you're watching this in the afternoon or whatever. Positive thoughts. I'm sure everything will work out regardless of what it is. And I'll talk to you in the next video.